Yes, 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 yes. Okay, finally got out of that AUD-JPY trade. After weeks of heartache, weeks of headache. Such a relief just to be out of that trade. So anyway, yeah. So this week's Friday today, so it started coming, turned around, started to come back, started to reverse during the week. And let's have a look at it anyway. And I'll go through how I got out of this at break even. Got out of break even. Could have made some profit, but I just wanted out of the trade. I just wanted out because it was so bad. It was horrible. Okay. The longest and worst trade I've been in for, I can't remember when. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's have a look at it. There it is, you nightmare. Okay, let's have a look. What am I doing here? Okay, well, I got out of this down here this morning. Okay, so let's go through. Look, I ended up having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, 7 sell orders on this Australian yen. Okay, so let's go through it. Okay, so here we go. So this is my first order. I got in down here, and then it went down. Thought, yeah, beauty. Then of course it just went against me as they always do. So I started going up, and then had some put another order in here, another sell order. Had a bit of resistance there, a little bit of support there, some support back here. So I put another order in and just kept going up. Then I put another order in because we had some resistance there, a bit of resistance kind of supporty thing over there. So I put another order. And then it looked like it might come back down, got this red candle, then it started going back up again. So anyway, back over here, way back. I had to go way back to find some support and resistance zone. So I put another order in right there, no, there. Put another order in there. Okay, and then it started coming back down. Thought, beauty. Okay, look at this here. And then I woke up last Friday. No, Monday morning. I think it was Monday. And it was going down. I thought, yeah, okay, cool. It's going to head back down. Then I woke up and there's a just big gap and it's just gone to green and it's just going rocketing up. It's like, fuck. So anyway, I put another sell order in there. Then we got up here, and what I done here, hang on, down here I sold one too. Where's that one going to? Okay, down here my first order. Okay, I closed it. I don't know. Closed it here, I think. I closed it there. Okay. So this order was gone. I closed it so it wouldn't accumulate any more drawdown, okay? But I didn't write it off, okay? I wanted that money back. So I just didn't want it accumulating any more loss for me. So I closed that one. I think it was here. Oh, I don't know. I can't really see now. I'm blind. Anyway, so I've got this one here. I closed this one. I closed up here in big drawdown. That was a big loss. Okay, so again, okay, I wasn't writing it off. I still wanted my money back for that one. So I closed that one there in big loss. And this one, I don't know. Oh yeah, hang on. I closed this one, first one, okay, up here somewhere, maybe up here. Then this one I closed here, okay, big drawdown, and then the third trade I closed up the top here, okay. I should have left that one open maybe. Okay, and then went up, and then I seen this big red candle here, and I thought, okay, this looks like it's going to come down. So what I did was, I got this, all I'd done was pretty much move these orders I closed up to the top. So then I pretty much just took that order and filled that, doubled that sell order I already had. Okay, as you can see, I put an order in there, then I doubled it. I put another equivalent lot size, so doubled the lot size to make up for that trade, and then it come down. Oh, beauty! Then when it was coming down, I put another, doubled this lot size as well to make up for those two trades where I was in big drawdown. And then it kept coming down. I thought, oh, beauty. Then it went back up, and I thought, oh. Then it come down, and now it's looking good. And so anyway, yep. So I put this one. Where did I put this one? Yeah. So I doubled this one as well. Okay. Just there. I doubled it again. Okay. So I've moved these three trades. I've moved them up there, pretty much. Okay. Yes, it was a bit risky because if that come down, then that took off, I'd still be in a lot of drawdown. But what I done when it was down here, I put the stop loss for the second trade. I put that at 0 in case it come back up. I'll just knock it out at 0. Okay, and same with this one and this one. So that was just in case it come back up and started going back up. These would not be in, double drawdown. Okay, so it would have come back, knocked that second order out at break even. Okay, at 0, so nothing would have happened. It'd still just be back to its normal lot size. Then if it come back up and hit this one, that one would have stopped out at 0. Okay, and then that would still go back to its normal lot size. And then same with this one. But yeah, but it seemed to work out. Went through here, got up, and then she come down. Then it come down. I thought, okay, beauty. And then come up and come down. Thought, all right. Because then I woke up this morning and I seen it down here, and it was at break even. And I thought, I'm out. I was in two minds. I was thinking, should I hang on, let it hang on? Should I hang on to it and see if it's going to go down? I think it's going to go down further. But then I was just thinking, no, because then you know what's going to happen. It's just going to bounce up, and then I'll start going back into loss. So I said, just get out of that trade. It's a horrible trade. You've been in it now for like weeks, and it's been a nightmare. It's just been stressful. It's really tested me, this one. It's really tested me. But I always knew that it would work out. I always had faith in my process. It's just sometimes the mental part was a bit, what's the word I'm looking for? It was a bit stressful, okay, a bit frustrating. Got depressed there a couple of times. I think I made a couple of videos or a short about how depressing it was, because it's just going up and up and up, especially when I seen this big gap and then I just rocketed up. So anyway, yeah, so me moving these trades from here up to here also made the distance it had to travel to break even shorter. Okay, because to get a break even, say from this trade, if I left those trades, it'd probably be down here somewhere. Okay, but since I stacked them all up there, it only had to come down to there. Okay, so it was pretty much just over half as much under. Okay, or round about, half as much. Because it would have had to come all the way down to here if I left those trades. But anyway, it worked out this time. So yeah, I got out of that trade. I'm not going to get in any more trades. It's Friday. I'll have a look on Sunday, I suppose, and see what's setting up and that kind of thing. But yeah, that's how I trade. It's pretty basic. It's pretty easy. Okay, there's different ways you can handle the losses, the drawdowns. Okay, that's one way. Another way would have just been to let it ride. Okay, and I don't know. I'm thinking I might get a lot more aggressive in my hedging. I think I have to get a lot more aggressive because it's always going against me. It's always going against me. As soon as I place a trade, it just goes against me. Like, say, if I had this trade here, all right, I had that trade, and then if I hedged that, you know what I mean? Then I'd have a little bit of profit to this second one. And again, if I hedged that one, okay, then I'd add a little bit of profit to up to this one. Okay, and then same again, if I hedged this one, I'd have a little bit of profit up until that trade, okay? And then if I hedged that trade, okay, then I'd have some profit up until that one. You know what I mean? I might get a lot more aggressive in my hedging because every time I place a trade, it just takes off in the opposite direction. And then I have to go through this drama. Every trade I make, I have to go through all this drama. It's fucking amazing. The amount of stress. But it worked out. So, yeah, I might start hedging, I think, a lot more aggressively. All right. And I would have had some profit up to there. Okay, I'd still be in drawdown, but that would have countered it a little bit. All right. Wouldn't have made the losses so bad. Okay, because this one up here, if I hedged this one, now I'd be in advise. Okay, if I hedged that, all right, and then it went down, didn't it? So now I'd be in a buy. Then I'd be putting buys all the way down, changing all these to buys. So, you know, you got to be careful. It's how you play it. Okay, it's how you do it. Yeah, so I'm going to have a think about that. You got to take every trade as an individual trade. They're all different. Okay, they're all different. It's just the way you manage your risk is the most important thing. Okay, so that's it. I got out of that trade, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm really happy about that. Good way to end the week. Yeah, so that was good. I'm happy about that. Just get out of it. I just had to get out of that trade. I didn't lose any money. If anything, I made a little bit. But it's pretty much just break even after fees and whatnot. But, I got back the money that I put in. So that was really good because I was in really big drawdown there for a while. Whoa, heartbreaking. Headache making. Anyway, all right. So that's it. That's how I got in. That's how I got out. And that trade is over. And I suppose I'll repeat the process again next week. Anyway, all right. Have a good weekend. See you later. Bye-bye.